What's the meaning of Cambrian? Cambrian. Cambrian.
Cambrian. Cambrian. The term Cambrian refers to a geological period that lasted from approximately 541 million years ago to 485 million years ago. During this time, there was a rapid diversification of life on Earth, including the emergence of many major animal groups that still exist today. The Cambrian period is often referred to as the Cambrian explosion due to the sudden appearance of such a diverse range of life forms. Fossil evidence from this time provides important insights into the early evolution of life and has helped scientists to piece together the history of biological diversity on our planet.